Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of Moto G06 Power. Let's quickly unbox it and see what is inside. So we get the phone, pull this out and keep it aside for now. We'll quickly see what is in here. You get a SIM ejector tool, you get some documentation, you get some paperwork. That's it. And it's a 20-watt fast charger. And you also get a USB Type A to Type C cable, and that's it, nothing else. So let's quickly go over the phone, or let's just slide it out. That's the phone. This is how it looks. I'll send the color name in description. So talking about features, this phone has got a very nice 7000 mAh battery, and it has got Dolby Atmos. It also got Corning Gorilla Glass. I will leave the rest of the specs in the description and you can check it out. So let's quickly turn it on. This is a 4GB variant and 64GB internal space. Let's do the setup quickly. Quickly start this. Don't miss out. No thanks. You're all set. Finish. And that is how it looks upon start. So these are all the apps that you get. I don't think there's any bloatware, but I don't think you can disable most of the apps. I'll just see. Gets a 50 megapixel AI camera. Quickly see what while using the apps. 1x, 2x. You get a couple of different filters, and you get these night vision, slow motion, pro, panorama, and time lapse, video, photo, portrait, QR code, and so on. After spending few hours with this phone, I came to know a couple of things. So first important thing is, you will assume this is a camera, but this is not a camera, it's a light sensor. And this is the 50 megapixel camera. This is the flash, and at the top you can see this is the headphone jack. On the right side, volume plus, volume minus, and this is the power button / your fingerprint sensor. At the bottom you see this is the speaker grill. This is the Type C charging port. I have yet to check if this supports OTG. I will let you know during the video. This is the microphone. There is one thing to notice. There is only one microphone that is here at the bottom. Compared to other phones, it's only one. So I don't know what is the call quality. And this is your SIM tray and a micro SD card tray. So, and this is your front camera. Best thing is this phone has a FM camera, which is what I wanted. And this is the microphone jack. So you need to connect a headphone jack here to start the while using the app. You need to connect your headphone to access the FM radio, and this is just awesome. Another thing is, this material is pretty good to touch. It's very soft, and I like it. The only thing that's surprising is this is the light sensor, and there's also another light sensor which is here, and this is the proximity and light sensor. Another thing is, like, after you connect this with your Wi-Fi, Motorola app will download 7 games and apps that you can easily uninstall. You can also disable a lot of Google apps. That is it. I mean, there is no bloatware as such. Like, it's a completely clean Android experience, very smooth. There is no lag as such that I can find. I mean, a good bang for your buck. Like, if you are looking for big capacity battery that can run for like weeks on a single charge, you should consider getting this phone. And yeah, I will also keep you updated about like how long I am getting the battery for this. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and comment what are the other things that you would like to see in this video, and I will be glad to help you with your purchase decision. Thank you.